Hey guys, I just making a quick clip on my progress on this next video because amazing things are actually coming together, and I've been tracking this down all day, and I feel like I should show you because it's pretty cool. But there's even better, cooler stuff coming. This is just a cool little find that I found. So you've seen this before off of Africa, and basically I have been tracing the northern hemisphere down to the southern hemisphere, and that's what you're looking at. You're looking at two hemispheres that are now basically on top of one another, because the planet is probably half its size, even though I'm working with full images. So it's kind of complicated, but it is complicated actually. But look at my sick alignment right here, right there. Let me bring it in again. And what's so cool about what I'm doing is that it is looking back at the past, and you're looking at a moment this planet is being created. And it's kind of tricky because when I bring this in, you've got India. You can see it kind of lines up a little bit. Everything kind of lines up like that. Maybe you can see how this plays into each other. And then we could slide down to here, and then we could jump over to here. You can see Antarctica right here, and you can see that here is the Himalayan mountains with the overspill, right? That's the overspill right here. And let's see, you can see that lines up there. It's hard to do it. You can hear I hold my breath sometimes. And you can see this is that overspill, right, in the Himalayan mountains. And when this lines up to here, you can see that this overspill is turning into this vortex. The southwest Indian Ridge is the overspill. The overspill and that vortex shaped ridge are the same thing. And I don't know if that's because when I look at this, you can see that the turbulence is coming out of this overspill. This is eventually going to be going into here. So this is going to be all coming out of Antarctica. See how it goes? It's hard for me to explain this. If this was easy, they'd already found this by now. So, but you can see how it just plays together, especially like that. But I've got a whole nother sequence over here with South America that's mind-blowing, that supports everything that's laid out here. And it's a little bit hard to work with, so that's why I made this video, a little quick clip to let you know where I'm at, so that you guys, well, can expect an awesome video the next one I upload. Thanks for watching. Look at that. That's so sick. Look. You can see how it always just plays together. Let's see how it just blends right in. Yeah, that's amazing. And I remember I did the same thing with the Southwest Indian Ridge. Well, if this is matching up to the same areas that the Southwest Indian Ridge, what does that tell you about these two areas? Look at that match right there. It matches all the features there, all the way to the tip, the Horn of Africa. Look at that, so sick. You can tell that this rotates. Right? I don't even need to do it. You could just see it. This is going to rotate this way, and it will uncover Africa. Look, moments in the past, as if you were there witnessing it yourself. You can't get better than that. I mean, you could mock this up in a fake animation, but why do that when you can use the actual images? Okay, thanks for watching.